Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to do a unboxing for the Icon box, the BOXYCHARM, and the IPSY Glam bag for August of 2023. And also this is my final announcement on the giveaway, which is going to be ending on August 15th. And if you haven't already gone and entered, I will have the video to enter down below. And I wonder what products we're going to be adding to the giveaway today. I've added quite a lot of products to the giveaway. I have a huge box back here, and I still have some PR that I need to open and add a little bit more before the giveaway does end. So if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you're already watching this video. It would mean a lot if you just hit subscribe if you're already watching, because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers aren't even subscribed. So it would just mean a lot if you went ahead and subscribed. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave the boxes in my lap because I feel like that's the easiest. And let's go ahead and see what we got in our IPSY bag this month, which, by the way, absolutely adorable. Exactly what I was expecting when I saw the picture. You guys already know I was like super into this color combo, and she is serving, okay? So let's just see what I got in here. So from Floss, we have a product. This is a Lip Advocate sheer lip tint in your honor. So let's see the color. So it's just a beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the giveaway. So that's the color. It's really pretty. So we just set this back here. We also have this product here from Lottie London. It's just a little eyeshadow quad. This I am also going to add to the giveaway. Here we have a body lotion, and I am also going to add this to the giveaway, which I'm very excited about this giveaway, and I feel like I'm going to be doing giveaways a lot, especially for the holiday season, because your girl loves the holidays. We also have a Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, and I'm going to add this to the giveaway. And Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I will add this to the giveaway. I have a full size. I have lots of samples of these, so I am happy with adding that to the giveaway. So BOXYCHARM time! Even though it says IPSY, I just wish it wouldn't. You know, why they gotta play with our minds like that? Okay, so first up, Beauty for Real brushes. Honestly, do I need more brushes? What kind of brushes are these? Do they even say? No. I'll add these to the giveaway just because I primarily just use my bling brushes, which are amazing. And if you want to buy bling brushes, you can use my code Connor at checkout and get 10% off. So I'm going to add these to the giveaway. We also have a Forever Lash Mascara in black from Billion Dollar Beauty. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the giveaway. And then, what is this? Oh, it's Selfless by Hiram. Every product purchase provides someone with a year's clean drinking water. Oh, cool. Niacinamide and Maracuja Daily Barrier Support Moisturizer. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm going to keep this one for myself. Look at me being selfish, keeping something. Oh, okay. I really like this packaging. Very excited to try that. Love that. We also have, oh, I can't wait for this. Dew of the Gods Dreamquake Lavender plus Chamomile Relaxation Body Scrub. Oh my gosh, and then this, such a good way to let this come out. Oh, Dreamquake is a vivid nighttime relaxation, a body scrub made from rich lavender and ultra-luxe soothing salts formulated to distress, calm, and get you ready for the best sleep of your life while hydrating and nourishing the skin. God, I love body scrubs. I'm so excited for that. Last thing we have in the BOXYCHARM is Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette. It was brought to my attention that this was kind of like an older palette. So hopefully like the quality is still there. Ooh. This is pretty. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video with this palette. I don't have a color store quite like this, so I'm very excited to play and do some looks. So yeah, just let a girl know down below. And IPSY Icon Box with Vanessa Hudgens. Now I've already like looked and glanced through all of these, and I have to say right off the bat I'm disappointed that I don't have any No Beauty in here, which is her brand. I'm like, it's her icon box, but there's nothing in here that's her brand, so I'm a little sad. But it does make up for the fact that we got a Fenty Skin Fat Water Pure Refining Toner Serum. I'm excited about this, so I'm okay. I would have rather had that over a mask anyways. And then we have Magic Serum from Joanna Vargas, Soothe and Strengthen. Let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, okay. I'm going to add this also to the giveaway. I swear, this is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. Then we have from Gold Fatten MD, a Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. I've actually had this product back in like 2019, I believe, and I remember liking it, so adding this to the giveaway. And then we have a foaming face cleanser from Dr. B Lab. I absolutely love cleansers. Sorry that the light's like so bright it's blowing it out. So I'm excited to try this. We love cleansers. Oh my gosh, I was so excited for this. The Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette. And this thing is like weighty. This is Hundo P 1002. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. God, it really is like so heavy. Oh yeah, these are beautiful, everyday friendly colors. I'm so excited I have this. Also, if you want to see a video on this, let me know down below and I can make it happen. That's gorgeous. Their makeup is so good. And then I have this iconic London Lip and Cheek Cream Trio, which I would say use for your lips or your cheeks. Don't pick both. I don't like products like that. Iconic London packaging. Oh. Okay, so this is pretty. I think I would rather use this as like different cream blushes, so that's what I'm going to use this for. It's super pretty. So I'm going to hold on to this and see if I'm going to use it, or this might be something I would pass along to my friend who is a makeup artist and probably would appreciate this a lot. So yeah. And then I have two more products left in here. This is from NARS. This is the Air Matte Lip Color in Lose Control. It wasn't necessarily my favorite formula, but ooh, okay, this definitely gives fall for sure, this color. So let's just see. Oh yeah, this is like a beautiful like brown orange pumpkin spice color. And then we have a MAC lip pencil in the shade Spice. Okay. I wonder if these two colors are gonna like coincide. Let's see. They're kind of similar, but I wouldn't say they're like necessarily like, you know, bros, but they can definitely be hoes together. That makes no sense. I don't know where I was going with that. So anyways, that's everything that I got in my IPSYs for August of 2023. It's the 11th today that I'm making this video, and I haven't found any IPSY spoilers yet for September. I have, however, already seen a bunch of holiday releases, which I'm so excited about. So stay tuned for my holiday content that I love to do every year. It's the most natural serotonin in my body that it just makes me happy. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Love you so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.